We're on a quest today to find Larry the Lobster and a bucket of butter.
Come with us and explore Port Charlottetown.
This is a very nice building here off the port. Everything is enclosed, so I guess in the winter when they have bad weather and cruises, you can at least come in here and shop. They have all kinds of t-shirts, crafts, jewelry, and a map to tell you where you're gonna go. Where are we gonna go? Here we are just outside the boat. There's restaurants, tours, and we're gonna go do a walking tour today.
So, here in Charlottetown, they are known for Anne of Green Gables. This is where Windsor, the author, wrote her books and lived the majority of her life. So everything has a little bit of Anne with an E, Green Gables. Anne of Green Gables by L.N. Montgomery. Charlottetown is known for this book, and this author has put it on the face of the map. And she is a very celebrated author in Canada, and especially here. This book is known worldwide. I read it, watched the movie, watched the TV series. Fantastic. Love it.
So far, my interpretation, this port is an old city where they're trying to redo and rehouse and repurpose things. Pretty cool. A lot of restaurants, a lot of bars.
Foodie.
Foodie day. That's what we're doing. Foodie.
Today we are at Cal's, which is Canada's best ice cream. So we're going to go in and try a few different things, flavors. Mine is vanilla. His is chocolate. And we're going to check it all out. See what is the best ice cream here. As soon as you walk in, you have to smell the aroma. It's in the flavor.
Okay, tell us what they are.
Coffee Cowie is a plain vanilla ice cream. It's got English coffee, store bar, and chocolate chips. And then Gooey Louie is a burnt sugar ice cream, so like a French vanilla. And then it's got caramel cups, English coffee, and chocolate chips.
All right.
Yeah, very delicious.
Which one are you gonna get?
And then I'm aware it's a coconut.
So, PEI Blueberry over there has fresh blueberries right from Canada. Yes. So I got the PEI Apple Crisp. It is with local apples because Canadians have a lot of apple orchards. So I am here with Bessie, my best friend, in Cal's, which was established in 1983. And I'm having Bessie's favorite too, Apple Crisp. Delicious. What I think is really interesting here is every corner they have a thing called Adopt a Corner. And people just plant all kind of beautiful flowers and just take care of it, and they help the city be very beautiful. On every corner, the Adopt a Corner. And here is the tuna. And Port Charlottetown Harbor, and we're going to go try Dave's Lobsters, the best. So we're here at Dave's having lobster rolls. I got a lobster grilled cheese, and the cheese is flowing. I'll tell you how it is. Nice pieces, a chunk of lobster in there. It comes with pickles, coleslaw, and then you can get potato chips, which are from Canada, which is one of their main crops. So I'll tell you how the coleslaw is. It's not with mayonnaise, it's more of a vinegar. It's good. It's odd. It's more of a vinegar slaw. I've never had anything like it, so it's fun to try something new. How's yours?
I got the cold lobster salad. It has really big chunks of lobster, chives, a little bit of sauce, like a mayo sauce on it. I have to tell you, it's pretty juicy and good. The lobster bites are really big and comes with a pickle. And this is the biggie size. The best thing is, this is like 10 yards off the boat. You can come right here when you're in PIE and get this lobster roll.
There's an iceberg ahead.
Hey vacationers, thanks for joining us today in PEI. When you are here, there's so much to do. We walked down the main street, we got the Canada's best ice cream from Cal's, and we had a Dave's Lobster right off the dock, right off the boat. And if you want any information, check out the sign here, discovercharlottetown.com. You can get all the information when you come on a port day in Charlottetown. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our videos. Thanks for joining.